Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribonet. My name is Manoj. Today, let us understand about transmission electron microscopy. It is also called as TEM. What is TEM? TEM is a technique where an electron beam is transmitted through an ultra-thin specimen, which is around 100 nanometer, which interacts with the specimen as the electron passes through it. The two important features of the TEM are its high lateral spatial resolution and its capability to provide both the image and the diffraction of the sample. This technique is used to obtain the full morphological crystallography, atomic structural, microanalytical, that is the chemical composition, bonding, electronic structure and the coordination number from the samples. Here in the figure we can see the schematic representation of TEM. Next, let us understand the working principle of TEM. The TEM works with a high voltage electron beam to create the image, where the electron gun is placed at the top, which produces the electron that travels through the vacuum tube. The electromagnetic lens are used to focus the fine beam of electrons that passes through the ultra-thin specimen. The transmitted electron gets hit on the fluorescent screen, which is present at the bottom of the microscope. The image of the specimen, which is assorted parts, appear on the screen, which is based on its density. The obtained image can be directly studied or also photographed. Here in this figure, we can see the schematic representation of the working principle of transmission electron microscope. What are the main components of TEM? First one, the vacuum system. The vacuum system is maintained typically in order of 10⁻⁴ pascals to provide the mean free path of the electron-gas interaction. The vacuum system in the TEM requires several stages to obtain the operating stage. Initially, low vacuum is achieved using the vane pumps, setting up low pressure, which allows the operation of the diffusion pumps to establish the high vacuum levels for operations. Specimen stage. The specimen stage designed in an airlock system, allowing the insertion of the specimen with a minimal loss of vacuum. There are various designs of the stages and holders exist, which depends on the type of applications. Electron gun. The electron gun is used to produce the beam of electrons which is focused onto the specimen. It consists of the filament, biasing circuit, Wellnut cap and extraction anode. Electron lens. There are electromagnetic lens that is used to focus the beam of electron onto the specimen. These lenses are designed in a way that it emulates from optical lens by focusing the parallel electrons at a constant focal distance. Apertures. Apertures are used to exclude the electrons which are scattered at high angles and are unwanted. It is made up of the metallic plates which is sufficiently thick to prevent from passing through it. And these are the components of transmission electron microscope. What are the advantages and disadvantages of transmission electron microscope? The advantages includes they are the very most powerful microscopes with a high magnification resolution. They have a wide range of applications and provides the information on elements and compound structures. The images are very high quality and detailed with chemical information with analytical attachments. What are the disadvantages? The disadvantages of the TEM is that they are very large and expensive setups, which needs the tedious sample preparation. The operation and analysis requires special training and the samples are limited to small sizes and must be electron transparent. They require the special housing and maintenance, and the images obtained are black and white. In this video, we understood what is transmission electron microscope, what is the working principle of transmission electron microscope, what are the components, and what are the disadvantages and advantages of TEM. These are the references for the information provided in this video, and thank you for watching this video. To get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribonet. Also visit our website on www.tribonet.org.